Yo, what is up, guys? Camilo here. I hope you are well. Before we dive into the analysis, thank you so much to those who have joined already the Discord group. For those of you who are new to the channel, please subscribe, click on the like button, and hit that bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload these videos. And so, a couple of days ago, I announced that the group will be free for anybody who wants to come in and join, so that you can see what we do over at Trending Waves. It's a 3-day event that we're holding. So just the link to join, just click on the link that we posted in the comment section. Just sign up, and then you're in and you're ready to go. So thank you so much, and thank you to those who have already subscribed. So the analysis here today, okay, on we bounced off the fib levels that we were expecting. Okay, so turning on the labels now, let's review the spot. So quickly reviewing the wave count out of July 19th, right? So we went up in one, right? A, B, and C down in the wave 2 to the 23.6% retracement. And now we are trying to correct this zone here. All right, this whole area here is trying to get corrected with this pullback that we're having. All right, now it's not completely we're not completely out of the woods just yet in regards to our previous alternate count, which suggests that the Qs or the SPY, right? But I showed you the Qs in the previous video that has hit a top. All right. Let's just quickly go over that chart real quick, and let's dive in. So you'll see here on the daily time frame, guys. All right, we are already stalling on these zones that I've already outlined. Okay, we've stalled through the resistance level here, the trend line that we've originated from September the 2nd high. All right, and so we reached the fib levels that we kept on watching. So the higher degree 786 with the blue count, the orange count, which is the smaller degree 618 holding resistance, and the 786 of the green count, all right, the green label, which is the intermediate degree, holding as resistance as well. Alternatively, we also see that this area here, this line, is holding us down. So this chart here I presented to you guys a couple of days ago, and that we were looking for these zones. Okay, we're looking at our indicators here. You see that there is high volume coming in today. It was a little bit above average. We see that the moving averages for the MACD are trying to cross over. All right, so you see the histogram going down, and then you see that there is lower price. The relative strength index is also losing momentum. But we look at charts like Amazon, we look at charts like Apple, the XLK, the SPY, the IWN, the SMH, and all of those charts are still looking to have more upside left. So, which is why I am not in a rush to try to engage in any put option right now to take us down into the higher degree wave 2. Okay, which we don't know where that will sit in. But if this is the case, if this is to hold resistance and we start rolling over, then we'll need to start exploring where this will go, and we could potentially dive into put options, right? But for now, let's just operate on the assumption that we haven't hit a bottom yet. I mean a top, and we are still gonna keep on rolling over. It's been a long day, guys, and we're still gonna keep on heading on higher. All right, so continuing reviewing the SPY. So off the 19th flow, right, 1 and 2, and now we're going up in 1. We're trying to correct this whole move again from the August 19th flow. Okay, and we hit the 23.6% retracement down to the 30-minute time frame. This is what the wave count will look like. All right, so we hit a high on the wave 1, August 30th, down in A. So it's a 3-wave pullback, 3-wave upside, and now we're looking for 5-wave decline. All right, in the wave 2, wave 5 of C of 2. All right, and ideally that comes in at the 23.6% retracement. So this could ideally have already completed, and now we're bouncing, as I've been calling this zone for possible areas of clear support. All right. So once we today when we sold off, we saw that this was a clear area for support, and now we should be heading on higher. If by any chance we keep on rolling over, then the wave 2 is still ongoing, and we should still look for the downside to the 446. But for now, 440, 449, and 450 are good levels of support. All right, so upside resistance come in at the previous all-time high here. Let me do I have these labels on? No, I don't. So let's do this together here. So resistance comes in. Here we go. So the 1272 should be our next level of resistance, overhead resistance for this zone. So we have the 453.07 and 453.69 as levels to keep our eyes open for. All right, so once we see a break above that, that'll confirm that wave 1 has completed, wave 2 completed, and now we are in the midst of making the wave 3. Now this is just a placeholder. This is not where we wanted that. I will know where it's gonna go. I mean, nobody knows, but for now, this is the wave count. We are operating and anticipating that this is where it bottomed. Over to the Qs. The Qs on the 30-minute time frame. So August 19th flow 1 and 2. We're still looking for the A, B, and we're looking for the C wave pullback. So the C wave pullback can take us down towards the 377 to 373. So down in A, up in B, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, guys. So overhead resistance is 383.70. Support should be between 377 and 373. All right. So over to the SMH. The SMH is also giving us a bit of a hard time, but it's not yet on a red flag, if you will. Okay, so off the August 19th flow, we went up in 1. ABC pulled back into the wave 2, holding support the 618, the 100% extension of wave A versus wave B. Ideally, we already broke below the 23.6, as you can see here, but we are actually bouncing up right now. So there is a good possibility that wave 2 has completed, and now we're heading on higher into the wave 3. IWM, we had to do a little bit of work here this afternoon as we sold off, and we sort of had to shift the wave counts in one swing over. So yesterday or the day before, I had the wave 1 here or somewhere here, I believe it was. But then obviously we sold off in 3 ways, as you can clearly see, 1, 2, and 3, holding the 38.2% retracement as support. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 completed wave 1. ABC pulled back into the wave 2, and we should be, as long as we see the SPY, the Qs, the SMH, and everybody else start heading on higher, then there is no question that IWN should follow. All right, guys. So I hope that was clear. All right, we're still looking for the downside on these names, potentially. Okay, if not, then the 23.6% or 449 will support. Here we go. The 378 will support here, and we're heading on higher. The SMH held support at the 100%, 267, and the IWM held support at the 222 region. All right, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Again, thank you so much for joining Trending Waves. The link to the Discord group is posted down in the comment section, totally free. Just come on in. See you then. Bye bye.